Oh, what is going on, guys? It is a fine, super fine day here in Southwest PA. I still have more time to kill on this ride. I don't know if any of these videos will get uploaded or whatever, but I still got time to kill before I get to go to work. So I'm just gonna hit a little bit of twisties and go to work. I'm gonna go too crazy. That's interesting. I think that's a new Prius. I don't know why people talk shit so much on a Toyota Prius. I would drive the hell out of that car. I don't care. I do not care. One, I think they look interesting, and two, I don't know, maybe I'm just showing my age, but I really appreciate, like, you know, fuel economy, especially whenever you drive a shit ton. It's pretty nice, actually, to have something pretty fuel efficient. Plus, it's a Toyota. I mean, you're not going wrong with the Toyota. It's a nice foggy day. What's that? Oh, that's a poor squirrel for him. A poor squirrel for him. Yeah, I'm gonna not go insane, but I figured I would, woohoo! Almost went over the line. Crossing the line. How fast am I going? I don't know. I can't see. I cannot see. I can see that stop sign way up yonder. And I know I'm going to go this way up yonder. If I can see way up yonder. Can I see? I can see. I can see. I can see. I can see. I'm going blind. I can see. Whoa, what was that? I can see. I can see. I can see. I'm going blind. I can see. I can see. I can see. I'm going blind. Oh, it's really warm up here. Woo! That's like a 5-degree temperature change. That's nice. That is nice. That is nice. Time is it? 8:30. Okay. I just gotta keep a track on the time. Keep track on the time. Oh, this looks horrible. It's all wet. I left the bike out in the rain. No bueno. I guess that happens. Oh my gosh. Ugh. It smells like fishing. If you watch the other vlog, I already said it a million times, but it smells like fishing, and it feels like college. Not like the very beginning part of a spring semester, but like kind of right around the time whenever your first big exams are coming up. I miss college. It was such a fucking stressful time in my life, but man, do I miss that structure. Like, and I was good at, like, I think that's what I need right now. I need a challenge. I need a legitimate challenge, like not a health challenge or not anything crazy. I just need like a nice challenge, man. What smells like straight gas? And like not gas like gasoline, but like natural gas. It's crazy. One time I was on a group ride, and if I can find it, I'll post it here. But we were driving and I smelled natural gas so strong. Well, guys, hey, I guess I haven't said this in a while, but I appreciate you guys for watching. You know, I don't have no idea what kind of video this is or when this will get posted, but I really do appreciate all you guys for watching and all your continued support. It's really awesome that, what is that smell? That smells like natural gas. Yeah, it smells like a gas leak. Crazy. And later on that day, a house exploded, and it did kill some people. You probably seen the video. It's like the video of the ring camera.
Investigation is now underway outside of Pittsburgh. A massive explosion and fire rocking a neighborhood. At least 5 people were killed, several others hurt.
Yeah, that was like pretty close to me. I mean, 15-20 minutes away, but relatively speaking, I mean, yeah, I was just, and I smelled it too, man. I smelled so strong of gasoline. Man, that is crazy. What is that? And yeah, unfortunately, that did happen, and I believe it was like a father and a son. That's really sad. Time is it? 8:33. I always see 33. I see 33 everywhere I go. I see pretty girls everywhere I go. Ferries sure save. Oh, that was ferries. Oh, I always thought ferries was like the big brown one, but that's ferries. That's the store that everybody was talking about. That store shut down, and it was like, oh, ferry shut down, ferry shut down. I was like, well, I don't know what to tell you. Probably because their store looks like it sucks ass. I don't know. Sorry. Shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say that. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, I've got time to go all the way up here, then circle back, and then by that time, I'm just going to work. They can do whatever. Maybe I'll get a Danish, a pastry, if you will. Feels good to be back on the bike, though. I mean, I've been riding the past few days, but just in general, you know what I mean. It feels right. It feels right, and I will take. This is 22. Yeah, I'll just start heading back. Is this like recording or anything? It says that it is, but who knows what that actually means? And that maybe that stupid dead cat like is like in the way and ruined everything, or maybe the camera angle is like too low and you're only seeing this, and I won't upload it. Who knows what can happen during a motovlog? All kinds of ill shit. Oh, my glasses, they are foggy. Now we're going to be riding into the sunset, well, into the sunrise. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I should be a little bit over and a little bit more back. I should give this guy some room. You know, those Tahoe drivers. If you know, you know. I don't know. I'm just talking shit. I'm just talking shit. What's that? The tax professionals. Yeah, I'm wondering how taxes are going to go this year. I got DoorDash and I got YouTube. And then I got my regular job. My taxes are going to be a mess. And I'm probably going to end up just paying into the taxes. Because DoorDash sucks. And I am sure that YouTube won't be any better. I should get real. Oh, I can't see anything. This sucks. I do got to get like better with taxes and everything. Like, you know, I could. That's an interesting observation. I bet you I could write off my GoPros as. Look at the clouds. See them how they wisp like that? That's pretty cool. I bet you I could write off my GoPros as like expenditures. We're doing this, you know, because I get paid from this, and this is how I'm getting paid, and this is like the main thing. So I might be able to make that happen. I don't know. I don't know enough about taxes. If you do know about taxes, let me know, or if you know any good source about how to learn taxes, put that in the description, because I will definitely take that and run with it. But I don't know, I guess that's it. Who knows if this was recording or not? I don't know. What do I know anymore? But if you enjoyed this for whatever reason, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to spring. I'm looking forward to new adventures and all that fun stuff with you. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.